What is the value of a, given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 300? Then let's have it to be solution. From here, we have 5 to the power of a to be repeated 2 times. So we can have here to be 5 to the power of a, then multiply by 2 to be equals 300. So from here, let's divide through by 2. So these two, we cancel these two. We have 5 to the power of a equals 300 divided by 2. We have here to be 150. So let's introduce log to both sides. So here will be log 5 to the power of a equals log 150. Then let us recall that when we have log a to the power of m, this power m will come down to base to be m multiplied by log a. Applying it to this, we are going to have a multiplied by log 5 equals log 150. So dividing through by log 5, this we cancel out this. So we have a to be equals log 150 divided by log 5. But let us recall that when we have log a divided by log b equals as log a in base b. So from here, we are going to have a to be equals log 150 in base 5. This is the value of a. But to solve it further, we can have a to be equals log 5 times 30 in parentheses divided by log 5. To solve it further, then let us now recall that when we have log a times b in parentheses equals as log a plus log b. So from here, our a will now be equals log 5 plus log 30 divided by log 5. So from here, we have a. Divide this by this will be log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 30 divided by log 5. So definitely here will be a equals, this will divide by this will give us 1 plus log 30 divided by log 5. But we have to recall that we can have 30 to be equals 5 times 6. If we are to substitute this one here, we have a to be equals 1 plus log 5 times 6 in parentheses divided by log 5 separately. So from here we have a to be equals 1 plus here will be log 5 plus log 6 divided by log 5. So here we a equals 1. Divide this by this will be log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 6 divided by log 5. So a will be equals, when this also cancels this, it will give us 1. We have 1 plus 1 plus log of 6 divided by log of 5. So a will be equals 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 6 divided by log 5. So recall that when we have log A divided by log B equals log of A in base B. And so therefore from here, so we have this to be A equals 2 plus log 6 in base 5 in a simpler form. Now to check, recall that we have 5 to the power of A plus 5 to the power of A to be equals 300. When A equals this, we are going to have it to be 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5 plus this again, 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 300. This repeated 2 times, we can factor the first one out, 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5. We have to open this parenthesis. This one divided by this will give us 1. This also divided by this will give us 1. So because we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5 to be the same as this, the moment they divide, we have here to be 1. The moment this one also divided by this, we have it to be 1. Then it's going to give us 300. So from here, we have 1 plus 1 to be 2. We have it outside here to be 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 300. So recall that when we have a to the power of m plus n, always equals as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So when you apply it here, so definitely 2 will be outside, 5 to the power of 2, then multiply by 5 to the power of log 6 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 300. So from here, 5 to the power of 2 simply means 5 times 5, then multiply by 2, this 2, multiply by 5 to the power of log 6 in base 5, then it's going to give me 300. So 2 times 5 is 10 times 5 to the power of log 6 in base 5, then it's going to give us 300. 10 times 5 will give us 50, multiplied by 5 to the power of log 6 in base 5, then it's going to give me 300. Anytime when you have a to the power of log b in base a, the output of this always equals b, because this base is equivalent to this base. Now look at this 5 equivalent to this, so we have 6 here, meaning that when we have 50 multiplied by 6, then it's going to give us 300. Now 6 times 0 will give us 0. 6 times 5 will give us 30. Make it to be 300 equals 300. So therefore A equals this satisfy the problem given to us. If you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Bye bye.